It's really hard when you move from the field to being in the office or leading a team. I think it's a pride thing, but it's also a comfort thing. You grew up over the years really good at using your hands and loving serving the customer, dealing with one job at a time, which I love. Where then when you shift into sort of that leadership role, it gets really complex. I think what you do is you recognize that at some point your business truly needs to grow, and you're actually the one that's limiting that growth. You can only take it so far, and you need people around you to start helping you build the different layers of the company in order to get to a spot where it can expand and grow and better people's lives. And right, I think that comes from a heart, the heart to want to serve more of a community. So I just think it's getting to a place of recognition of I'm at my limit. I'm already stretched, and you see that in so many young business owners who are coming in. They go and they're in the truck, and then at nights they're trying to work on the financing and the bills. You even see people that couldn't answer the phone during the day, and they're calling customers back trying to, capture that work. And at some point you recognize, man, I just can't do this all on my own. I have to start bringing other people in to create more space for me to kind of move into that management office type position.